What if your AI companion lived entirely on your own machine? Private, offline first, personal. Most AI systems today depend on the cloud. Your conversations, your memories, your personal data, all processed somewhere else. Aiona was created to change that. Aiona is an offline-first AI companion for Windows, built to run locally, built for privacy, built to evolve with you. Aiona also includes a fully integrated local SLM training workspace. Train personal local models, build memory-aware datasets, create private AI workflows directly on your own hardware. I don't believe personal AI should belong to corporations. I believe it should belong to the people using it. Private, local, personal. That is why I created Aiona. If you believe AI should live with us, not above us, help bring Aiona to life. Back the project, join the journey, and help shape the future of local AI.